The leaks are out, and they're absolutely insane. Tesla's flying car might actually be happening in 2026. And after diving deep into the patents, insider reports, and Elon's cryptic tweets, I'm here to tell you everything we know so far. Let's get into it. So first, let's talk about the promise. Elon Musk has been teasing a flying Tesla for years. Back in 2018, he literally tweeted that the new Roadster would have a SpaceX package with rocket thrusters that would allow it to fly, not hover, not glide, actually fly. The original target was 2020, then 2023, then 2025, and now? We're looking at 2026, but here's why this time feels different. Tesla's aerospace division has been quietly ramping up. SpaceX technology is more advanced than ever. And most importantly, there are actual patents that have been filed. Real, tangible evidence that something is happening behind the scenes. Which brings us to leak number 1. The patents. In late 2023 and early 2024, Tesla filed several patents that are absolutely wild. We're talking about cold gas thruster integration, retractable wing systems, multi-rotor stabilization, and AI-powered flight control systems. Now, if you look at the patent drawings, they show a vehicle with vertical takeoff capability, thrust vectoring mechanisms, and a completely reimagined battery weight distribution system. The design is clearly inspired by SpaceX's Draco thrusters used on the Dragon spacecraft. These aren't just fantasy sketches, these are detailed engineering documents. The most interesting part? The patents show how compressed air or nitrogen thrusters could be positioned around the vehicle, giving it the ability to lift off and maneuver in three-dimensional space. We're talking 10 to 15 small thrusters placed strategically around the car's body. This isn't science fiction anymore, this is actual aerospace engineering being applied to a consumer vehicle. Leak number 2, mysterious activity at Tesla facilities. Satellite imagery shows new testing grounds at Tesla's locations in California and Texas. We're seeing unusual covered transports, vehicles with strange proportions that don't match any current Tesla model. But what really caught my attention? The hiring spree. Tesla has been actively recruiting aerospace engineers, VTOL specialists, propulsion experts, and aviation software developers. You don't hire that kind of talent unless you're serious about building something that flies. There's also been increased activity at what insiders are calling Tesla's aerospace division, with thermal imaging showing heat signatures consistent with thruster testing. Now, Tesla hasn't confirmed any of this, but the evidence is piling up. So how would this actually work? There are 2 main approaches Tesla could take. Option 1. Cold gas thrusters, similar to what SpaceX uses. These would give you about 15 to 30 seconds of flight time, lifting the car 3 to 10 feet off the ground. It's not sustained flight, but it would make the Roadster absolutely insane for acceleration and performance. Imagine launching at a stoplight and literally lifting off the ground for a few seconds. That's the dream. Option 2. A full electric VTOL system using multiple rotors and ducted fans. This would require significantly more battery capacity, probably doubling the weight of the current powertrain. But in theory, you could get 50 to 100 miles of range with 15 to 30 minutes of flight time at speeds around 150 miles per hour. The challenge? Energy consumption. Flying takes an enormous amount of power. Current Tesla batteries are optimized for ground transportation, not flight. You'd need at least 2,000 pounds of batteries just for the flight system alone. That's a massive engineering hurdle. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. The challenges. First, regulations. The FAA would need to approve this. You'd need a pilot's license. There are airspace restrictions, safety certifications, noise regulations. This isn't just building a car, it's building an aircraft, and those come with decades of regulatory frameworks. Second, infrastructure. Where do you take off and land? Your driveway? A parking lot? We don't have the infrastructure for flying cars. Period. Third, cost. A flying Tesla Roadster would likely cost somewhere between $500,000 and $2 million. The base Roadster is already $200,000. Add the flight package? You're easily in the 7-figure range. And fourth, physics. Energy consumption for flight is massive. Noise pollution would be significant. And weather conditions would severely limit when you could actually use it. This isn't going to replace your daily commute anytime soon. So when will we actually see this? If we're being optimistic, maybe a reveal event in late 2025 or early 2026. Limited demo flights for press and investors.